Located in a region with a hot climate, Dubai is a modern metropolis where air conditioning is not just a luxury, but a necessity for the city's buildings and residents around the year. As a global hub for business and trade, Dubai continues to play a leading role in the transition towards sustainable solutions. Striking the balance between an accelerating economy and mitigating the challenges related to climate change is crucial for the city. Aligned with these demands, Dubai's traditional air cooling methods are being disrupted by district cooling, a more energy efficient, environmentally friendly and next-generation superior cooling solution. Established in 2003, mPower has become the world's largest district cooling service provider. It enriches the lives of over 110,000 customers across more than 1,400 buildings in Dubai. By the end of 2022, mPower's contracted capacity will reach 1.6 million refrigeration tons, powered by over 81 district cooling plants. It is the exclusive cooling service provider to some of Dubai's most iconic and landmark developments, including the Burj Al Arab, the Palm Jumeirah, Business Bay and the Dubai International Financial Centre. District cooling offers numerous advantages over conventional air conditioning systems as an environmentally friendly solution with ability to provide energy efficiencies and cost savings. It uses 50% less energy compared to traditional cooling solutions while encouraging usage of recycled water and reducing carbon emissions. As one of the largest global markets for district cooling services, Dubai aims to increase its district cooling penetration to 40% by 2030. This is supported by the Dubai Integrated Energy Strategy 2030, as well as the UAE's ambitions to achieve net zero emissions by 2050.
Over 2 decades, mPower has promoted sustainable and optimized use of energy resources that deliver a reliable, cost-effective and environmentally friendly district cooling services. Proudly born in Dubai, mPower's strategy is centered at the heart of the city energy needs and the future sustainability goals. Our businesses continue to serve on its promises to customers by capitalizing in our in-house command control center, robust technology and capability, an experienced management team, best-in-class operation expertise, as well as low investment and operating costs.
mPower's infrastructure-based business model means that it is well positioned to harness captive demand pools through long-term and exclusive agreements with master developers. This is prevalent in a city that is showing solid growth in residential and commercial real estate supply. With a targeted 80% market share in Dubai by the end of 2022, mPower benefits from robust and highly visible revenue streams. The company has stable adjusted EBITDA margins of 49.5% over the last 3 years, a solid balance sheet, as well as highly predictable cash flows with low variability, enabling it to fund future growth and provide attractive returns to its shareholders. Looking ahead, mPower is well poised to benefit from secured growth opportunities within existing and new developments, as well as inorganic opportunities in Dubai and beyond. The company expects to add approximately 370,000 RT of connected cooling capacity in the medium term to meet the increasing demand from existing master developments in Dubai. Moreover, there is also the potential of connecting more customers in areas adjacent to the current network, retrofitting existing systems for its district cooling networks and expanding in brand new master developments. Significant consolidation opportunities in the fast-growing district cooling market in the region are also further expected to contribute to Empower's future growth. Empower enjoys support from two long-standing and strategic shareholders intimately linked to Dubai's economic development, DEWA as well as Emirates Power, a wholly owned subsidiary of Dubai Holding.
The UAE and the wider region continue to attract the growing demand for district cooling service, driven by continuing investment on infrastructure, increasing the real estate densities, and supported by the government policies. Combined with our own track record and leading market position, this is factored to provide a strong foundation for Empower growth trajectories, as well as its continued role the fostering innovation in district cooling.
Empower, the world's largest district cooling services provider.